today. Good morning, fairies. Today, Anna, Puka, and we went for a walk at, we called it Noria Satellite. I like this place because not much dog have discovered this yet. And Puka and Anna like to chew things. So I let them do that first. And later on, we will have to go there. I'm very lucky that I trust Anna. You know, she can't just go without a leash if I have to do like this. But Puka not, I do not trust him. So I have to make sure that I have to watch him always. This is a new city. It's actually very nice, very beautiful. That is the riverside over there, the main city, and that boat over there is crossing the passenger from Priaklip or that community over there, Aragsat. And this is Mekong Delta. Yeah, and in the morning actually, there are so many people are swimming here. And they even put a stairs so then the swimmers can go down. It's a very interesting place, you know. I really love this place, but I guess when the city is nearly finished, I don't know if I can still walk my dog here. Currently, we are enjoying this spot and we are walking nicely. So, we're happy. Oh, enough chewing ha, and then you guys later on will puke, okay? We better puke here, not in the transport later on. Ta, bebe? Ah, look at Puka. Puka's so happy. Da. Look at her. Very good, very good. Good, Puka. So I'm always happy to come here and let the dog also explore the things. And look at the swimmer. See? They're actually equipped though when they swim here. They have their shoes. Good. At 7 o'clock, because the people has to go to work, then they start moving out. Up. Hey, come on now. Oh my God. Anna, Anna, wait for Mama. Wait for me, okay? Wait for Mommy. Puka, come. Okay, Anna, let's go. Wait for Mama. Puka. Good. Good. Now si Puka. Now Puka. Ay.